Well, if anybody had any idea how excited I am to have Dr. Verbanic in my house, you wouldn't believe it. Dr. V, welcome.
Oh, thank you for inviting me.
You're kind of out and about because you've been busy, even though dentist offices are technically closed. In this time, in this space, people still need you, right?
Well, that's what we're there for.
What have you been going through over the past few days?
We go in and take care of emergencies and whatever people need. We got to treat the patient when they need treated.
So just yesterday, you had somebody that came in that had some significant stuff, and when you see somebody that's on the other end of what you sent me a picture of, it's shocking to me because there's nowhere to turn right now. And thank goodness that you're answering the phone.
Well, that's why we have the answering machine on. Have my cell phone number, so you can call me direct anytime you need me.
I think that is one of the most wonderful gifts that you could probably give to anybody at home who's saying to themselves, my dentist is not open, and some of the the chain dentists, like you can't tell and you're not sure who they are. But when it comes to somebody like Dr. Verbanic, when they're given cell phones and they're making sure that people are answering phones morning, noon, and night, I guess I should say thank you on behalf of all those people, because I know they're calling you.
Oh, we appreciate them calling us.
Well, as we move forward and you look at what people are doing within their homes and taking care of themselves, this is sort of our time to be able to say, maybe we should be paying attention to a couple more of the things that maybe we just rush through in the morning, right?
Well, some of the things you have to remember is during this time of change and crisis and everything is that you still got to do the normal things like brush your teeth, floss your teeth, okay? And a couple things that go along with that is you want to make sure your toothbrush is clean, okay? You want to make sure you don't share your toothbrush or your floss, okay?
Yeah.
Because they say that the droplets is where this virus gets transferred through, so, only makes sense.
I will say this. My friends are all in news in some capacity, and it seems like we're getting constant information from the CDC and from so many different doctors across the country. How do you decide what it is that you're listening to? Where are you gathering information from? I mean, you're living and breathing it minute by minute along with us.
Well, I get it from a lot of different sources, television, online, reading a lot of websites from like the Dental Association, from the governor. Just any place I can pick up information.
When it comes to your staff, I mean, obviously we've all had to make different decisions when it comes to who's working for us and how they're working. How is your team taking all of this?
Well,
it's hard.
Yeah, they're understanding and have really good staff, so they're taking it on a grain of salt, and we're all getting through it and all hoping for the best.
Thank you so much for stopping at my house, Dr. Verbanic. I've never thought in 1 million years that this would be happening, but I'm glad to have you. And for people at home who have ever seen me smile, he's actually the one that did it. This is your cosmetic dentistry work. I'm not always, able to say that to people at home, or they'll ask me questions about who my dentist is, and they constantly give me such compliments on my teeth, and I have to give credit where credit is due.
Well, it was a privilege to treat you.
It's you.
Yeah.
It's you. How many years ago was that now?
About 11 years ago now.
I know. 11 years, still going strong. Dr. V, we're gonna do one of these.
That's right.
Okay. All right.